Hi! Holly, sinong bagong dating?
Introducing the Husky family, starting with Polly, the princess of the family who enjoys eating, napping, and going on adventures. Next up is Kobe, the prince of the family, always chatty, full of energy, a bit possessive, but oh so sweet. Then there's Bella, Polly's daughter, the youngest member of the family, talkative, playful, and absolutely adorable. And let's not forget about Momi and Dottie, the loving fur parents who shower Polly, Kobe, and Bella with care and affection.
Hi! Holly, sinong bagong dating? Ah, may baby si Daddy, bago. Oo. Oh, no! Gusto mo makilala? Wow! Gusto mo na makilala? Wala pang pangalan. Oh. Ano? Oh. Oh. No! Selos ka? Selos ka? May baby si Daddy? Oh, shit! Sa selos. Oh, no! Selos naman yan eh.
Oh no!
Selos naman yan. Selos naman yan. Ito mo, Daddy, umiiyak na.
Pasok natin sa loob.
Ayan na, papasok na ni Daddy.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Ay, Daddy. Chuchura. Ha? Holly yan. Baby yan, baby. Baby.
Thanks for tuning in. To subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell.